Hello, my dear friends. How are you? I hope you're all fine. And today I am sharing with you a very interesting topic, the best air purifying plants for the home and office. Looking for air purifying plants? Some scientists have suggested that choosing the right air purifying plants for your home and office can help detoxify the air in your living space, meaning your house plants not only look lovely but work a little harder to clean the air you breathe in. NASA's clean air study found that there are a number of air purifying plants that can detoxify your home from the airborne toxin, dust and germs that can be found in variety of household products, material and furniture. Now my dear friends, let's talk about all these plants in detail. Number 1 is Barbon Daisy. Barbon Daisy is an effective cleanser of toxic formaldehyde and benzene found in range of household materials from paints and other things. And the care advice is place the plant in a room with a plenty of natural light and keep the soil moist but well drained. Next air purifying plant is snake plant. With this plant in your bedroom, you are in for a great night's sleep, also known as mother-in-law's tongue. This yellow-tipped succulent releases oxygen at night, helping you to breathe better while sleeping. It is one of the best plants for filtering the air of formaldehyde, benzene, and other chemicals. Next plant is chrysanthemum. The flowers of a fall chrysanthemum are one of the most effective natural way to eliminate a variety of harmful including ammonia and benzene. Next is bamboo palm. As one of the most popular indoor plant, the tropical palm is especially good at filtering formaldehyde along with benzene and chloroform in style. They can grow as high as 12 feet, allowing them purify the air on a large scale. They do require more sunlight than some other indoor plants, so you should keep them near windows or glass doors if possible. Next plant is spider plant. The spider plant air purifier is one of the most forgiving indoor plants around, growing in just about any home or office environment. Its thick white roots store extra food and moisture when needed, and it can survive with moderate or indirect sunlight. This makes it an easy pet safe addition for absorbing formaldehyde and benzene. Next air purifying plant is Gera Daisy. A pot of these beautiful daisies will help remove benzene and formaldehyde from indoor air while also improving your mood. They are relatively easy to care for and grow best in moderate sunlight. Water them at the base for the best growth. Colors such as white, red, yellow, purple, and orange will cheer up your home. Next plant is peace lily. A peace lily air purifying plant is one of the best natural solution for pet-free home in room with little or no sunlight. It also thrives in humid conditions, making it an amazing bathroom or laundry room plant to filter different chemicals and different cosmetic hairsprays, cleanser and fabric softener. Next is aloe vera. This succulent plant air purifier is a great plant for gardening beginners because of its small and needs little care. Just set these fast growing plants on a sunny windows or desk, water whenever the soil looks a bit dry and let them go to work purifying the formaldehyde and benzene. Next plant is garden mum. As one of the top performing air purifying plants, it removes formaldehyde and benzene, and they are in flower in the home. They require bright light during their bloom. Next is Boston fern. Boston fern are a little more high maintenance because they need cool place with a high level of humidity and indirect light. However, experts says they are well worth and maintenance because of the air purifying abilities. Boston fern remove more formaldehyde than any other plant. Next plant is English ivy. English ivy is one of the most popular vine plants. English ivy was found to be one of the most effective plants with remove benzene and formaldehyde. And other plants like flamingo lily, money plant, aloe vera, erica palm, Chinese evergreen, weeping fig, heart leaf, philodendron, and elephant ear philodendron, rubber plant, and Dieffenbachia, king of hearts. Next is banana tree. All these plants are the best air purifying plants. From fresh oxygen and improving the overall mood, there are many advantages to keeping some plants. Air purifiers and air purifying house plants are the perfect pair for your mission of clean indoor air. So my dear friends, I hope you like this video, and please share this video all your friends and family, and please add these beautiful and natural air purifying plants in your home and clean your air, and be healthy, be positive, and spread the love around you. Take care.